Getting started with a sustainable garden can be challenging. So today we want to discuss 8 crucial steps you need to know before starting your permaculture garden. But before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications for our channel so that you always find our videos. Now let's get started. 1. Acquaint yourself with your surroundings. Familiarize yourself with the native plants, insects, and predators that inhabit your planting area. Observe which parts of the garden get the most sun, paying close attention to any areas that could cause water to pool. 2. Choose your plants based on your environment. Research which annual and perennial plants will thrive in your surrounding habitat. And practice companion planting by choosing crops that attract beneficial insects, deter pests, and naturally fertilize your soil. Number 3. Design your garden layout. During the design process, consider your light requirements and water sources in the existing landscape to determine where to grow each type of plant. Use plant stacking to maximize space. Grow herbaceous plants as ground cover, shrubs as a middle layer, and trees as a top layer. 4. Build your garden beds. Your raised beds should be 6 to 12 inches above the ground. Number 5. Plant your permaculture garden. Start by growing your taller plants first, so that shade cover is in place for any smaller plants that are sensitive to direct sunlight. Double-check your design to make sure plants with similar water and sun requirements are grouped together. 6. Add a layer of organic mulch to the topsoil. Common types of mulch include leaves, newspaper, straw, wood chips, shredded bark, and grass clippings. 7. Add compost without disturbing the soil. Popular composting choices include manure and kitchen scraps that you can collect in a compost bin. Earthworm castings and worm tea are also great options as they are extremely rich in nutrients and add beneficial microbes to your soil. And lastly, number 8. Use an efficient and sustainable watering system. Make sure you're using the minimum amount of water needed for your garden to thrive. A low-waste drip irrigation system is always a smart choice. There you have it. 8 steps to start a permaculture garden. In closing, we want to leave you the 3 basic permaculture ethics to remember: care for the earth, care for people, and take only your fair share. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.